Hi guys, let's prepare potato noodles. Take boiled potatoes, add corn flour, pinch of salt and pepper powder. And mash it. Make a dough and shape it into a small cylinder. Take hot water and then place this potato cylinder in it and boil it for 2 minutes. Then strain it and place it in cold water and then again strain it. Take a pan, in that add little oil, add onion and garlic, saute it. Then add chili sauce, tomato sauce and soya sauce, mix it well and place potato cylinder and cook it for 1 minute. And it's ready. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, then comment below, like, share and if you are new, then subscribe.